Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The question in here is from graduated high school examination in Vietnam. Question number 48. So I just translate in here. Question 48. Suppose that f of s is cubic function with the graph on the right. Here is about the graph. The function f of x has two critical points s1 and s2 that satisfy s2 equals to s1 plus 2 and f of s1 plus f of s2 equals to number 0. Let h1 and h2 are the area based on the graph on the right. Find the ratio of h1 over h2. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. Here is about the graph, and you can see that we have two critical points, that's in s1 and s2. But if we put the value in the f of s, we have f of s1 plus f of s2 equals to number 0. This means that the positive number on here plus the negative number in here, they have equal to number 0. So if we put in the absolute value of the negative number, this one is equal for this one. So this graph is in symmetric, and we can find the distance from this point in here to s1 and this point in here to s2. They will have the same number, so we use number 2 divided by 2. So the distance from here to here and here to here equals to number 1. So if we shift all y to the right, we put in this point in here and all go to this here, you can see that the graph is similar for one function, and this function we need to consider that's about f of s equals to s to the power of 3 minus 3s, because they have two critical points, and the distance from this ball to s1 and this ball to s2 equal to number 1. So we find critical point in here. So we put first the derivative of the function equals to number 0. So we can find true value of the first derivative of the function. That's about s equal to number 1 and s equal to negative 1. According to the graph, this one is on the negative side, so we choose s equals to negative 1. So we find the value f of negative 1. We got about 2, and now we need to use the integral to find the value from negative 1 to 0. So we got about s to the power of 4 over 4 minus 3s to the power of 2 over 2. So we put 0 and negative 1, and we got about the value of s number 2 in here. That's about 5 over 4 equals for h number 2. Next, if you look carefully, That's it about the rectangle. We find the area of rectangle. We minus h number 2 to find the h number 1. So that's it. H number 1 equals to, we have the value of this one is about number 2. We multiply with the distance from S1 to this point in here. That's about number 1. And minus 5 over 4. And you got about 3 over 4. The question they ask, what is the ratio S1 over S2? So we put about this one. H1 we got about 3 over 4. H2 is about 5 over 4. 3 over 4 divide 5 over 4, you got about 3 over 5. And the answer for the question in here is about D. That's the end. Thank you for watching.